Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So friends, many research scholars are in confusion recently due to Scopus journals removal policy at any time, and even Scopus itself is not updating this on its website. So one surprise thing that I need to discuss today in this video, in the month of June, Scopus has released a list of discontinued sources or list of discontinued journals. The link is there in this video description. By clicking on that link, you have to refer the end part of that particular web page and you will find an option to download the discontinued list of journals or to download the journal. Those are indexed in Scopus list or updated list of journals. So in the month of June, Scopus has released discontinued sources, but in the month of July, Scopus has updated the list of journals. Those are indexed in Scopus. So surprising thing is that there are few journals, those are there in this discontinued list in the month of July, or the same journals you will find in the updated list of Scopus. So I can say for this confusion, Scopus itself is responsible, or if the research scholars are losing their documents, then also Scopus is responsible. So in today's video, we'll discuss about this journal. Those are still showing active status on their websites. Those are still showing active status on the Scopus website, but these journals are removed. So friends, few days before, when I received this list of discontinued sources from Scopus, I conveyed the list of these journals in the community tab, and then I received many replies. So you are saying these journals are removed, but it is still there. You are saying these journals are removed in the month of June, but these journals as it is there in the updated list of Scopus. And hence one of my colleagues had written an email to the Scopus, and she has received a reply from the Scopus regarding the status of this particular journal, the list of journals, and the Scopus website journal updation policy that I am going to share in this video with all of you. The first journal which is removed is International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. You can refer its ISSN number also, and its publisher is SER SC publisher. So preliminary, when this journal was removed from Scopus in the month of June, Scopus has considered published research articles or published volumes and issues till May 2020. However, in next month itself, Scopus has removed some already indexed issues and already indexed volumes. So I think the Scopus has Scopus has considered the research articles or volumes issues published till the month of February or March 2020. But the big thing is, when the journal is removed from the Scopus, at the same time this journal is transferred to the other publisher, which can be called as Nadia publisher. The first it was SER/SC publisher, and now you will showing the status with this Nadia publisher. Only in the updated list you will find this journal is still there, but the publisher is changed, or this journal is still there in the Scopus with new publisher. We'll see both the websites of this journal. First is International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. This is the old website. Here they have still written about the SJR and Scopus. And the second website, see here you can observe the publisher. This publisher is SER SC publisher, whereas the second publisher, this journal is transferred. As you can see here, you can just observe these ISSN numbers. See this ISSN number 2005 4238 print with Nadia publisher. It is 2005 4238, the same for print, and this also 22076360, and here 22076360. So this is the same journal, only the publisher is changed, and somewhere on the Scopus list also you will find the journal listed with this publisher. However, you have to just click on this, or you have to just look for this section, indexing section. As you can see here, if you click here, you will get this. See, even with this new publisher, as you can see here, the IJST has not indexed in Scopus, and the reason it is not indicated on this new website, even though the status on the Scopus, you will be able to see the status on the Scopus, but it is still not there. Otherwise they have been written on this new website about Scopus indexing. And here also on the Scopus site you can see the coverage also. I think this is updated few days before. As you can see here, since 2016 to 2020, So it clearly indicates that this journal is in Scopus till 2020 only. When the journal remains in the Scopus currently, so we will find this status 2016 to current. However, this status coverage is 2016 to 20 only. That means this journal is removed from the Scopus. But due to this confusion and to confirm it, an email is written to the Scopus, and let's see what Scopus has replied. When email was written to the Scopus inquiring about both the publisher and IGST, so this ticket number was generated, and they told us that the Scopus team will respond within 24 hours. And then this reply, after few hours, this reply is received. The journal title International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology is cancelled from Scopus, and the articles are not indexed in Scopus. So actually the inquiry sent was regarding both the publisher, but the Scopus has only given this reply. But that does mean this journal is really removed from this Scopus database. So, and the papers will not be considered even from Nadia publisher and even from this ACR SC publisher. So the next journal is Journal of Critical Reviews. This journal is still there in the Scopus, and this is correct. It is still in the Scopus. Scopus has not yet removed this journal, but Scopus is also not indexing the research articles those are published in JCR. So what is the confusion? Let's see what the Scopus has replied about this journal. So this is the query for journal in Scopus database. This is ISSN. So unfortunately, the requested journal title Journal of Critical Review is currently being investigated to add the content further, which will take approximately 3 months for the decision to be taken. Means the Scopus is investigating whether this journal will be further indexed in Scopus or not. So for that it might take 3 months. Under investigation means, as per my experience, there are 90% chances that this journal will be removed from Scopus. Because it is under investigation, this is because few of the universities has complained to the Scopus regarding the quality of this particular journal, and that is the reason it is under the investigation for quality issues. So it is better to not consider these types of confusing journals, because there is very high possibility to lose our valuable research documents, and you cannot consider those documents to publish in any other journals once published. The next journal is International Journal of Advanced Research in Engineering and Technology, IJARET. You can refer the ISSN number also. So this journal is showing active status on its website and on Scopus website. So just go through this website and then we'll see what Scopus replied about this particular journal. So this is the homepage of International Journal of Advanced Research in Engineering and Technology, and still headline is given as Scopus indexed, but the journal is removed. So let's see the email received from Scopus. So the same kind of email is received. International Journal of Advanced Research in Engineering Technology is cancelled, and the papers will not be indexed in Scopus in future. So similarly, there are two more journals. One is International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research and International Journal on Emerging Technologies. These journals are also removed from the Scopus, and see the replies from Scopus. International Journal on Emerging Technologies has been discontinued from Scopus. From this journal also, the paper will not be indexed in future, and along with IJSTR is also removed. So along with these journals, there are few more sources. Those are also removed. Just go through the list. International Journal of Psychological Rehabilitation, International Journal of Advanced Science, we have already discussed. International Journal of Control and Automation, this Revista Espacio, Prensa Medica Argentina, Opcion, Journal of Sociology and Social Anthropology, Journal of Entrepreneurship Education, International Journal of Smart Grid and Clean Energy, and Drug Invention Today. So these journals are removed from the Scopus. If you are having still any query about a particular journal, whether it is still there in the Scopus or not, I have provided Scopus support email ID in my video description. You can drop an email on this email ID and definitely you will get the status of that particular journal. And now we'll little bit talk about the Scopus policy. When an email is written to the Scopus support team regarding when the journal or Scopus website will be updated, then the Scopus has said the Scopus website is updated twice a year. Website I am saying in the month of March, April, and in the month of September, October. So right now those journals are removed, but still they are in the Scoopus website. Those will be removed in the month of September or October 2020. This is the email received from Scoopus regarding Scoopus journals or Scoopus website update policy. So actually in the mid-July, basically few journals are discontinued, but these journals are still there on the Scoopus website, and the Scoopus is saying that Scoopus update their websites twice in the month of March and April and September, October. So if it is a specific journal is still will find still there on in the Scoopus website, but it will be removed from the website in the month of September or October. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this information and video. If you do have any questions related to research, please write me in the comment box. I will try to answer all these questions, and do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get latest research updates. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.